Hi, welcome to Rotating Equipment Lab. My name is Muhammad Nafis. I am the person in charge of this lab. Before we allow the student to enter this lab, we need to ensure the proper PPE is worn at all the time. The requirement for this lab include safety helmet, safety goggle, safety shoes, and coverall. Gloves must also be worn and is compulsory when handling the hand tools and equipments. All of this PPE was supplied through Koperasi KKTM Kemaman Berhad 3K Man. In the event of emergency, especially during fire, you may calmly proceed to the nearest exit and gather at the designated assembly point, which is for this lab is at the KKTM field. There are 3 exit points for this rotating equipment lab. If there is other emergency such as injuries, cuts or fall, you must inform the floor warden listed in the site safety board. If the person is not available, you may also contact the KKTM Kemaman office. Other than that, the board also listed the contact number of the nearest medical and emergency facilities for any cases that require immediate medical assistance. For small injuries, the first aid is available on site, but you need to inform the lecturer or floor warden and we will assist you in treating the injuries. Our policy here at KKTM Kemaman is to report injuries no matter how small. Before proceeding into this lab, student is required to store all their belongings in the locker provided here. This is to ensure their safety and to avoid them cluttering the workbench. However, they are allowed to access in the locker at any time in order for them to carry the stationery and notes related to the course. The hand tool needed for each practical is supplied together with the trainer. Now, we are inside the lab. This rotating equipment lab caters to Diploma in Plant Engineering Technology Mechanical students (DLM) and Diploma in Petroleum Engineering Technology (DLO). DLM students will undergo this course in semester 4, while DLO students will undergo the course in semester 5. For this lab tour session, I will be accompanied by my colleague from DLO, Mr. Amir Adli. Before students were allowed to do their practical works on the complete pump maintenance trainer, they must fulfill 4 segregated training. The training were divided onto coupling and shaft alignment, gear maintenance, and bearing maintenance, and lastly the mechanical seal trainer. For the coupling and shaft alignment trainer, we use SKF laser shaft alignment system. This system uses laser to precisely measure the alignment. The reading will be displayed on this display unit.
Okay, next we have ourselves a gear maintenance system. This trainer uses conventional method dial gauge to measure the backlash of the gears. Okay, the third trainer we have here is the bearing maintenance trainer. This trainer is used to train the students with proper methods of mounting and dismounting a bearing. The last trainer we have here is the mechanical seal trainer. This trainer is used to introduce proper type of seal for the pump. The students will install various types of seal and run a leaking test to evaluate the installation.
Upon completion of the separated trainer, the student will be allowed to work on the complete pump maintenance trainer. This system is installed with 4 pumps driven by the electrical motors. This system pumps out the water from the lower to the top tank. Here, the student will be allowed to dismantle the pump for the purpose of maintenance simulation. This will allow them to combine what they have learned in the separate trainer system. This multi-pump test rig is under maintenance. The maintenance is performed by the company appointed by KKTM. This test rig is used to demonstrate various types of pumps, which include gear pump, piston pump, vane pump, and centrifugal pump. Currently, 3 pumps is undergoing further maintenance at the contractor site.
Now we are in the briefing room. This room also is used for briefing before and after each practical session. We also have discussion room that can be used by the students for their group discussion. So that's all from rotating equipment. Thank you. Have a good day.